In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a project in CaseGuard Studio, as well as navigate all of the panels in the software. When you open the software, you'll be greeted with this screen. This is the welcome window. From here, you have a few options. You can open a new project, open an existing project, as you can do here with any of your recent projects. You can begin a bulk redaction. You can use the screen recorder, or you can open the redaction manual on our website. As you can see, there are a few training videos down here if you ever need help with anything. I'm going to click Create New Project. I'm going to give my project a descriptive name. This way, if I ever need to go back to it and edit it, it shouldn't be hard. If you want to give your project more information, make it more descriptive, you can always click this More Information dropdown and add information like the name of your requester, their email, what case number this is, the date of the request, and any redaction reasons that you might have in this file. I'm going to click New Project. Here, your file finder should come up. All you have to do, select any files that you need for redaction, click Open. Now, as you can see, my file is in CaseGuard. I have a video file here. If I want to watch it, I can come over here and I can click play.
Yeah, this is my bike.
A few different panels are going to pop up when you upload a video. Over here, if we click these arrows, we can see all of the different panels that I can use for video redaction. If you want to remove any of them, you can uncheck these boxes. If you want to add more, you can check the boxes next to them. Project Files is right here. This is going to show you all of the files that you have uploaded in CaseGuard in the project that you're currently working on. If I click on the task list, this is going to show me all of the tasks that I've done on my current project. The object detection panel is right here. This is where we're going to be able to see any of our PII when it's been identified. If I go ahead and I make a redaction box, I'll be able to see it in this object detection panel, as well as in this panel on the bottom. This panel on the bottom is going to show you any PII in the frame that's currently being shown. The object detection panel is going to show you an itemized list of all the PII in your video. You can go in and edit your redactions, find them in this object detection panel. The transcription, analytics, and translation panels all populate in the same panel. Once you run your transcription for a video, you can use this panel to view it. As well as the analytics panel to run AI analysis to find any PII that you might need redacted in your video. The translation panel can automatically translate your transcription. If I need to change mine to French, I can select that. Now I have a full translation, and I can view it in this panel. If I choose metadata, I can view all the metadata from my file. File log allows me to see when I've uploaded and removed any files from my current project. And the watcher allows me to edit, add, remove any of my watchers. Here you have all of your video redaction options, as well as some of your video editing tools. You also have your audio redaction options, your audio editing tools. List analysis is going to allow you to customize a list of various PII and regular expressions to fit your redaction needs. Template lets you create a copy of your existing redaction settings for the future, making it so that you don't have to go through and set up your redactions every time. File privileges allows you to add redaction reasons for the specific project you're working on. And file revisions allows you to go back to previous versions of your project in case you made a mistake somewhere. If we go up to the top here, I can create a new project, open an existing project, add files to the project I'm currently working on. I can save my project. I can create an album by uploading a series of images. I can open the team space so that me and my team can collaborate on redactions. I can commence bulk redaction. I can download a video from social media. All you need is the link, and you can upload it, and CaseGuard can redact it for you. I can open the screen recorder. I can view any CaseGuard diagnostics. This is going to be all the reports generated by CaseGuard automatically in case you need those. and then I can view any tasks that I currently have scheduled. Here, I can choose what my redactions are going to look like. This is going to default to edit mode. If I select edit mode view, I can see through my redactions to make sure that I have them correct. Preview mode is going to show you exactly what your project is going to look like on export. And then show original is going to show you what your original video looked like without any of the redactions that you've made. I can also zoom out and zoom in with these magnifying glass icons, as well as just choosing a percentage. And over here, I can export my project. Once I export my project, I'll always be able to find it by clicking this icon down here, open project folder. This is going to take me to exactly wherever my project is located on my computer. If I click on this document, here I can see that all my panels are the same with the exception of the Pages panel. If I select the Pages panel, I can easily flip through all of the pages in my document. If I come down here, I can use this icon to organize my pages, and I can also access the Analytics panel down here to run AI analysis on my document. In the toolbar on the left-hand side, you can see that we have some tools for documents. These tools, find and redact, pattern detection, AI document, and object detection, are all going to be your different redaction tools. Document tools here, you can find some tools that allow you to edit and view your documents. In this panel, you'll notice a lot of the same options as video. We can see list analysis, template, watermark is new. This is a document feature. It allows you to add watermarks to your documents. And then we have file privileges and file revisions. And that's how you create a project and navigate CaseGuard's interface. I hope you enjoyed.